Have you ever wondered how cars, trucks, or bikes work? How they move, what makes them go fast, or how they stay safe? Well, today we are diving into the world of automobile engineering, where we learn how engineers build the vehicles we use every day. What is automobile engineering? Definition: automobile engineering is the branch of engineering that focuses on designing, making, and improving vehicles like cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even buses. In simple words, it's about understanding how vehicles work and how we can make them better, safer, and faster. Why is automobile engineering important? Imagine driving to school in a car or riding a bike to your friend's house. You need the vehicle to work properly, be safe, and be comfortable. Automobile engineers make sure that these vehicles are designed well, powered efficiently, and built for safety. Without them, we wouldn't have the cool vehicles we use today, like electric cars, fast sports cars, or safe buses. What do automobile engineers do? Automobile engineers do a lot of work to make sure vehicles run smoothly. Some things they work on include engine design. They make sure the engine is powerful and efficient. The engine is what makes the car go. Example, think about a sports car. The engine inside it makes it faster and more powerful. Safety features. Engineers add features like airbags, seat belts, and anti-lock brakes to keep you safe while driving. Example, when you hit the brakes hard, the anti-lock brake system helps the car stop without skidding. Fuel efficiency. They design engines and systems that help cars use less fuel. This is not only good for your wallet, but also for the environment. Example, electric cars are designed to run on batteries instead of fuel, making them more eco-friendly. Design and comfort. Engineers also make sure that cars are comfortable to drive. They design the seats, dashboard, and even how the car's air conditioning works. Example, the Tesla has seats designed to make long trips more comfortable. Real-life example, how a car is made. Let's break down how a car is made. The design. First, engineers sketch and design the car. They decide how it should look, how big it should be, and how fast it should go. Building the parts. Next, engineers build the parts like the engine, wheels, and chassis, the car's frame. Assembly line. Then, these parts are put together on an assembly line. Workers and robots help build the car step by step. Testing. After the car is made, it's tested to make sure it works perfectly, like checking if the brakes work and if it can go on long trips without breaking down. Why should students watch this playlist? In this automobile engineering playlist, you will learn about how engines work and why they are so important, the amazing safety systems that keep drivers safe, the difference between gas-powered and electric vehicles, how engineers are working on creating the cars of the future, like self-driving cars. If you dream of building the next cool car or want to know how vehicles work, this playlist will take you on an exciting journey into the world of automobile engineering. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can learn more in the next video. The world of automobiles is just waiting for you to explore.